Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start the presentation, let me introduce myself. My name is Dini Prasetyani Rumsuprapto. I will be present about calculation of production cost using process cost method in MSMA XXX. The next slide is table of content. The first is introduction, the second is literature review, and the third is research method. The next slide is introduction. The first is background, problem formulation, research objectives, research benefits. The next slide is background. Micro, small, and medium enterprise, or MSME, are very important for the Indonesian economy because they create many jobs and help the economy grow. One important thing for MSME is figuring out the cost of production. The cost of production is the money spent to make a product. One way to calculate the cost of production is by using the process costing method. This method works well for business that make a lot of products and go through several steps in production. By using this method, MSME can easily see how much they spend at each step. The next is problem formulation. The first is how to calculate the cost production for MSMA XXX using the process costing method. The second is what are components of production cost. They need to be considered in the process costing method to achieve accurate result for MSMA XXX. And the last is what challenge does MSMASXX face in implementing the process costing method and what are the solutions of overcome this challenge. The next slide is research objectives. The first is analyze and calculate the cost of production for MSMASSS using the process costing method. The second is identify and analyze the relevant component of production cost using the process costing method at MSMAXXX. And the last is identify the challenge in implementing the process costing method and provide a recommendation of overcome this challenge. The next is research benefits. For research rule, the research gives the author a chance to use the theories learned at Semarang State Polytechnic and compare them with that is done at MSMASSX. For Semarang State Polytechnic, the research will be a helpful resource for accounting students as they work on their final projects, especially in figuring out the cost of production. For other research, it is hope that this research will provide useful information and insight, especially for those who need it. The next is literature review, consists of definition of accounting. The next is role of cost accounting. The next is cost classification. The next is cost of goods manufactured. And the last is method of collection cost of goods manufactured. Definition of cost accounting. Cost accounting is a part of accounting that helps management monitor and record expense regularly and present them in reports. Additionally, cost accounting focuses on determining and controlling costs, allowing companies to calculate inventory values and cost of goods sold in financial statement. The next is role of cost accounting. According to Senegal et al., the role of a cost accounting is that accounting can help management carry out this function. The collection, presentation, and analysis of our information related to cost can assist management in budget preparation, control, pricing decision, profit determination, selecting alternatives for decision making, and cost control in technologically advanced environment. The next is cost classification. According to Nur Laila, cost classification or cost grouping is a process of systematically grouping costs or all exciting cost element into specific categories that are more concise to provide clearer and more important information. The next is according to Mulyadi, cost can be classification as follows. The first is objects of expenditure. This classification is a simple based on brief description of an expenditure object. For example, expense related to telephone usage are referred to as telephone costs. The next is main function in the company. Costs can be classification into three groups, namely the first is production cost, the second is marketing cost, and the last is administration and general cost. The next is relationship of cost. What is funded? There are two categories. The first is direct cost and indirect cost. Behavior of cost in relation to change in activity volume. Costs are categorized into four types. The first is fixed cost, the second is variable cost, the third is semi-variable cost, and the last semi-fixed cost. The next is this useful of cost is divided into two parts, namely, the first is capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. The next is cost of goods manufactured. The cost of goods manufactured is the total cost incurred by a company to produce finished goods within a specific period. The next is method of collection cost of goods manufactured. Full costing. According to Mulyadi, full costing is defined as a method of determining production cost that takes into account all elements of product cost into the total cost, which includes raw materials, direct labor cost, and factory overhead, both variable and fixed in nature. The next is method of calculating cost of goods manufactured. Variable cost. Variable cost is method of determining production cost that only consider variable production cost in the total cost, which includes raw material cost, direct labor cost, and variable factory overhead. Next slide is research method. Consists of data collection method, types of data research source, data analysis methods. The next is data collection methods. The first is observation. Observation is a method which the research conducts direct observation of the object or phenomena being studied. The next is interview. An interview is a data collection technique that involves direct question and answer interaction between the research and the respondent. The next is documentation. Documentation is a method that involves gathering data from written source or exciting records such as reports, archives, or official document. And the last is literature review. A literature review is data collection technique that involves studying literature, books, scientific articles, and other sources related to the research topic. The next is types of data research. Quantitative data. Quantitative data is a type of data is measured and expressed in numeral form. This data represents information that is measurable, structured, and can be statistically analyzed. Qualitative data. Qualitative data is a type of data is consists of verbal description and cannot be measured in numeral form. This data provides insight into the research object and highlights the qualities of that object. In research, qualitative data often include narratives, interviews, and in-depth observation. The next is data research source. Primary data is data that is collected directly by the research from its original source for a specific research purpose. This data obtained through various collection methods such as surveys, interviews, observation, or experiment. And the last is data analysis methods. The steps for analyze in this writing are as follows. The first is collect to cost associated with the production process MSMASXX. The second is identify the cost by type, namely direct raw material cost, direct labor cost, and factory overhead. The third is calculation and analyze the cost of goods manufactured based on the data that has been collected. And the last is provide conclusion regarding the result of the cost of goods manufactured calculation in according with exciting theories. This is all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.